Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. I am here with a flip through on the journal case or pouch and the little journal that is on the inside. The case here is trimmed in some vintage lace around the edges, and around the inside it ties together with a little button and ribbon, and I've outlined the front of it there, and here is the back. The sides are made of cloth so that it expands, and inside, which has been lined with this beautiful paper, love all this pink Christmas paper, it's got a little journal on the inside. And this journal, I have a ribbon that I'm holding it together with, but in the end, my thought is that actually the case will hold the journal together, but just in case a person wants to use a ribbon instead, I've got that there. So the front of this has a little image here of a joyful Christmas, and it's trimmed in some vintage lace around the border. And here is the beautiful cover. And these papers are from my porch prints, if anybody's interested. They're the pink Shabby Chic Christmas papers, I believe. And so the inside of the journal is very plain. I have left much of the pages undecorated because my thought is the person themselves may want to decorate this up. I do have in here, and I have these really cute copper colored paper clips that I think are really nice with the pink on the inside. But I do have some little pieces of ephemera here, and there's going to be more ephemera, but we'll get to that later. I have some avocado dyed paper in here, as well as tea stain paper and some other vintage paper pieces. I have a recipe book page in there, and I do have 3 that have tags that I have altered in here, and this has some little lace in the bottom, surrounded by love. I've also gone around the edges with a little bit of gilder's wax to kind of make it shiny. So this is one of the 3 altered tags. And here's a page from an Ideal magazine. Then there's an envelope up here with a little card on the inside. And that just puts, so these can be moved to anywhere you would like. Music sheet. Now there are 31 doubled page layouts that you could do. So if you're doing a December daily, you could use one for each day, or you can just maybe do half of the journal for 1 year and half for the other one, depending on how much you want to put down there. I have a little jingle bell here in the middle, which can be cut off if this bothers you without compromising the stitchings, but I thought it was kind of fun to have that there. Here's another one of those tags that I've altered. Got some gems, some little sparkly gems here with a little star. And more of that music paper. So there is a good variety of papers in here. Here's the other side of that beautiful page from an Ideals magazine. And another little file folder that's like the other one. You can put pictures inside, journaling inside. And then we come to the last of the 3 tags that I've altered in here. I love the digital printout on that one. Very cute. There's the glassine bag that you can use for a pocket. And here's the other side of that ledger paper, which you can flip over. I put some washi tape here to reinforce that fold. And then there's a pocket here in the back. Now what I'm doing is I am including an envelope here full of pieces of ephemera that you can be using inside the journal as you decorate yourself. I don't know, a dozen or so of these words or phrases that you could use. There's a number for each day, a set of numbers in here in case that's something you wanted to use. And there's just little pieces of other ephemera. We've got tags, a lot of little tags in here. Then I have a series of pockets. I have 4 pockets that I have pre-done that you can glue into whatever page you would like. And then you'll have like a pocket here. So that way you can get to choose where you want to put the pockets. You just simply glue them in along the lines there. Yep, and we've just got all kinds of little stuff. You can either use it as a journaling card. You can cut out the image for, you know, decoration, whatever you would like. So there's quite a bit of that in there. And then I've also got a set of 5. Oh, I don't know if I can find them all right away. I got a set of 5 different tabs that you just fold in half, and then you just glue them onto your page, and you've got some 5 tabs if that's what you would like to use. So this way you can personalize it and kind of make it your own, and I'm not telling you where things have to be. So I'm sending this along with the journal so that you can have a good time with that. So there is the cute little journal and the little case that it comes in. So I have instructions on how I made the case, and I'll list that video down below. This will, in the meantime, be available in my Etsy shop if you are interested. Thank you so much for viewing, and I hope this may give you some ideas for projects you might be working on. So we will talk to you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.